What's up, you guys? It's Jason here from RPM Side by Side, and today we have a awesome new product for the Polaris Pro R platform. That's our chambered muffler with a valve. This will be our E-valve chambered muffler. Check it out. Just like all of our mufflers, we're going to be using this 3-inch tip that is built by RPM for RPM mufflers. The factory one's 2.5. RPM's is 3 inches. It fits the stock rear fascia perfect. This is the blued. This is the black. These two are optional. Standard is going to be brushed. They all look legit. It's personal preference what you want. If you got a blue RZR or wherever you got going on and you want the blue tip, it looks awesome. You want to black it out, we've got the black tip also. This chambered valve muffler is going to come standard with a quiet core, and you're not going to need it because this muffler is super quiet as it sits. Barely louder than the stock one. Flip of the switch, you hit that open switch, which is included. All the wiring and switches are included. Hit the switch, bam, it's going to be open. A little bit louder than stock. The faster you go, the more exhaust you flow, the more you're going to hear it. Guys, so a quick rundown on this muffler on how the chambered mufflers work is it's like this inside. So just a bunch of mechanical chambers in here. The exhaust actually comes in. It's going to hit a wall in here, and it's required to come back up through 2 big tubes. It comes down, back through 2 more tubes, and then out the exhaust tip. Your valve is sitting right in here. So it's going to come in, then instead of going out and around, the valve opens, and then it can bypass that and straight into the tip. So you're still going to get some exhaust flow through the muffler with the valve open, but not very much. On these big naturally aspirated motors, you open the valve, you're not going to hear like a drastic, immediate straight pipe noise change because they're really not flowing that much exhaust at idle. You are going to hear an exhaust note change. You'll hear it in the video too at idle, but the more you push through the muffler, the louder it's going to be with the valve open. All right, guys. This muffler with the valve closed, you're looking at about 87 decibels when we're retesting. Every decibel reading is going to be different. Every meter is different. We're going to be testing all of our exhaust. We park that tire in the same spot. We record from the same spot, same angle, same distance, same everything. So 87 decibels with valve closed. All right, guys, at idle, you're looking at about 88, 89 decibels. So just a slight increase at idle. Take the machine out. We'll get a couple up close clips so you can hear it opening and closing. All right, guys, so there you have it. That's our chambered muffler. As mentioned before, it's going to come with a complete wiring harness, zip ties, clamps to secure this out of the way, your on-off switch, just like all of our other exhaust valves have. So this is pretty well just plug-and-play kit. It even comes with the bus bar plug. If you've got a Ultimate machine, you can plug this into the bus bar and instead of hooking up to your battery terminal. So there's that. These exhausts, I was saying earlier, is the more you push them with the valve open, the more drastic of a change the valve makes. So at idle, you only got a couple decibel difference. You can definitely hear it, but when you're cruising or full throttle, that's when it's really going to make a difference. And furthermore, it's really going to make a performance difference with the valve open. There's no restrictions. I mean, it's just going to flow everything it can flow. So essentially, the valve gives it another 2.5 inches of free flowing diameter. So I know it's so hard to get a good sound recording on video. There's a million people recording with iPhones, Androids, and GoPros. They all sound different. That's why we can only use one device when we're recording for sound because it's so different. We try to use a GoPro on the car and record with an iPhone from outside the car. They sound completely different when we go to edit them. So this video was completely edited with an iPhone, and yeah, so we do what we can do to get the sound capture and the noise difference. It's so hard, but especially when we're fighting wind like we are today. But yeah, so you guys, there you go. That's it. That's our electric valve version. You can pick these up on rpmsxs.com.